Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my first of my Halloween series and I decided to do a Maleficent inspired makeup. This is not a Maleficent transformation, but this one was inspired mainly on the Classical Disney Maleficent. So it's kind of a purple green with a red lips. So if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And if you want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I started with a black pencil eyeliner to do my brows, and I fill them in just as I usually would, keeping them very natural and also brushing them up with a spoolie, but just following my natural hairline. And then I took the Kiko Neutral Eye Base to prime my lids and just patting it with my finger to apply eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I used the Changeable Fantasy eyeshadow palette and I started with the white matte shade to set the eyeshadow primer. Then I took the deepest purple on the palette and started packing it on my outer corner and building up my crease, but slightly above my crease because I have hooded eyes, but basically building it all over the crease from the outer corner to the inner corner and blend a little bit of the edge of this one. And then I took the slightest lighter purple on the palette to build the edge of the previous purple and at the same time build a little bit more of that transition. Then I took the matte black only on the outer corner and blending it on the V area to really deepen up the outer corner. Then I used the Essence Camouflage Concealer to do a half-cut crease. Then that outer part I blended it a little bit with my finger using the same brushes that I used for the black and for the purple to blend that outer edge. And then I took the dark green on the palette to blend the outside part of the cut crease so that it would make a softer transition to the next shade. And then I took the shimmer green and I packed it on the inner part of the cut crease, blending it a little bit on top of the previous green. Then I took the NYX Epic Ink Liner to draw a winged liner, and I started with the outer corner and then little by little taking it to the inner corner. I cleaned up any excessive eyeshadow or any fallout. And then I took the Kiko Everlasting Kajal on my top waterline and the Paradise Ecstatic Mascara on my lashes. For my face, I used the Body Shop Wonder Blur Primer, that is a pore minimizing primer. And for foundation, I did a little combination. I used one of my normal foundations with a white mixer and a little but just a little bit of a green concealer to give it a little bit of a green undertone, but then later on with the powder it kind of faded away. I applied my foundation all the way down my neck and onto the shirt line and also on my ears. Then I set my base with the NYX HD Loose Finishing Powder. And I did a little bit of contour with the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette using the very light contour shade. I especially focused on my cheeks to give it a very Maleficent cheek look. And I also contoured my nose a little bit. And to keep my Maleficent inspired very pale, I used the lightest blush that I had. For highlighter, I also used the lightest highlighter I have, that is from the Soft palette. Again, focusing on every highlight point, but with the main focus on the cheeks. Then on my lower lashes, I did mostly the same thing I did on top. I took the darkest purple on the outer corner. Then I took the dark green on the center and close to the inner corner of my eye. And then I took the shimmer green very close to my inner corner. I also wanted to use the highlighter for my inner corner and brow bone, but totally forgot. Then I took the Kiko Smart Pencil in the shade 13 to line my bottom waterline. And I applied mascara on my bottom lashes. For my lips, I used the Kiko Creamy Color in the shade 314, that is more of a red with a pink undertone. That is what I was aiming. So I lined my lips with this one and overlined them a little bit. And then for lipstick, I used this one from the Kiko Lip Milots collection. That is also kind of a dark red with a slight pink undertone. I gave it a little bit of a more defined outline with a lip brush. And finally I set my makeup with the I Heart Makeup Fixing Spray. And I also ended up putting just a little bit of a brighter red on the center. Okay, so I think this turned out really nice, and let me give you a close-up of the eyes. So I really like especially how the eyes turned out. I really love the purple and green combination. The purple and green with the red is also a very Maleficent thing. But yeah, if you liked this Maleficent inspired makeup, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know what other Disney villains I should do in the future. And if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And my next video is going to be a pop art makeup, so if you want to see that and more videos every Monday and Thursday, then don't forget to subscribe. And that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!